Hello, we're going to make a video, and in this video we're going to connect using remote desktop from one Windows 10 machine to another, and we're going to connect into a machine that will be running in Packard Lab 322. Now note, because I'm on campus, I don't need to use VPN, but if you're off campus, you'll need to connect the VPN first. There are instructions on connecting the VPN at Lehigh. If you Google VPN Lehigh University, you'll get those instructions. So first thing, I'm going to click on this little start flag down here, and then I'm going to scroll on down to the R's for remote desktop, and I'll click on remote desktop. And remote desktop is going to run. I don't have any remote desktop connections listed in here at the moment. So I'm going to connect add to add in our remote desktop connection. If you're going to a laptop or a PC, you can click on this item here that says desktop. Okay, now you need to put in a fully qualified domain name for the machine, and the machine we're going into will be PL, of course that stands for Packard Lab, 322-03.cc.lehigh.edu. And I'm not going to put any account information in. I'm just going to go ahead and save that. And you'll notice it makes a little icon over here. And I'm going to double click that icon. That icon will be saved for future use. So it comes up and it says, what's your username? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type AD for Active Directory, and I recommend you put that AD in when you log in. It just simplifies things. If your machine isn't currently in Active Directory, you have to have the AD. And if it is already in Active Directory, it's no harm, no foul. It'll work anyways. So then your user ID, my user ID is DPM3. Your user ID is likely to be 6 characters long, unless you have an old-time user ID that's only 4. Okay, so the next thing we do is we enter our password. Okay, and this is not unusual. Because I was talking, I took longer than is allowed for connecting. So I'm going to connect again, but I'm not going to talk, so it goes a little bit quicker. Okay, so I typed it in a little bit quicker. I'm making some more progress. First time I'm logging into this machine, so my computer doesn't have the half of the certificate required for encryption, so it's saying I don't know who you are. So I'm going to go ahead and just click connect, and it'll go ahead and connect and bring down that public certificate. Okay, so here I've connected, and once I've connected, I can do any work I want here. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to sign out. Assume that I've finished my work, I've closed all my applications down, and now I'm just going to go ahead and sign out. And this brings me back to the machine that I came from. Next time I go in, so we'll go ahead and we'll just close this. So the next time I go in, now that I've been in once, and I come down here to remote desktop, and I double click, you'll see that you don't have to make this icon here for Packard Lab 322-03. That's already there, so you just have to double click this icon and it will go ahead and connect you in. Okay, and that's all there is, connecting from Windows 10 to Windows 10. And I hope that was helpful, and thanks for listening.